guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. We are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see what is in October 2022's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. So here is this month's product card, and the theme for this month is Under Your Spell. Up at the top here it says everyone will be under your spell, Boxycharm. And this product card, you guys, is right up my alley. I am so in love. So super cute. The first product in this month's Boxycharm box is this Thebriabeauty Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. So this rich eye cream is going to help awaken the eyes. It's going to help get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and it's also going to firm the skin. This is cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and sustainably made. And what's really cool about this is every purchase is going to help provide menstrual care and education to girls in need. This has 18 nourishing actives in it and 4 results. And here is what it looks like outside of the packaging. I love how thick it is. A little bit goes a very long way. The Thebriabeauty Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Cream retails for $26. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer by Dew of the Gods. I am so in love with Dew of the Gods products. I've tried probably 3 or 4 of their products now and love every single one of them. So this is going to be like your skin's morning collagen smoothie. It's got plant and fruit extracts that are blended into a dewy, milky serum that are really going to tone and prime the skin for the next part of your routine. I have this on today and so far so good. I really think my makeup looks awesome today. So everything is staying on, there's no breakage, and I'm really liking this so far. The Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer retails for $32. Next in this month's box, we have the Playa Manoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. And this is going to really smooth frizz and soften the strands of your hair. So this is an ultra light yet deep conditioning treatment that is formulated for chemically treated hair, dry hair, frizzy hair, or environmentally damaged hair. So on the products card here, it says that the Tahitian Manoi oil penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz and healing damage. And then coconut milk deeply conditions, promoting strength, shine, and softness. You can use this on wet or dry hair, and it also detangles and seals the hair cuticle to lock in moisture, restore luster, and diminish frizz. And since I just colored my hair yet again, my hair can use all the moisture it can get. The Playa Manoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner retails for $24. Next in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Siete London Spice Palette. And you guys, the packaging is so simple, but yet so cute. And opening this palette up, it looks a little something like this. You get a huge mirror, and this is just perfect for the fall. And I do have this palette on my eyes today. I'm just gonna go ahead and finger swatch some of these for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So pretty. The Siete London Spice Palette retails for $39. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box, we have the Thebriabeauty Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette. This is such a gorgeous highlighter palette, you guys. I have it on my face today, and as you can tell, I'm just blinding. So here is what it looks like outside of the packaging, and opening it up, it comes with a huge mirror as well. It looks a little something like this. And as you can see, my cheeks are just glowing for the gods. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch each one of these just so you guys can see how blinding they really are. So, so pretty. The Trace Thebriabeauty Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette retails for $26. Well, that is it, you guys, for all of this month's Boxycharm box items. I am so excited to use these items a little bit more. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered to your front porch every single month. You can use my link to shop in the description box below. And I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.